Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an essential service for writers and content creators, offering proofreading and editing services. If you have a keen eye for detail and a passion for refining written content, this video is for you. We'll discuss how you can become a proofreader and editor and help others polish their written work. So, let's dive right in. Introduction to Proofreading and Editing. Proofreading and editing involve reviewing and refining written content to improve its clarity, grammar, spelling, and overall quality. As a proofreader and editor, you play a crucial role in ensuring that written materials are error-free, consistent, and effectively convey the intended message. It's a valuable service that is in high demand across various industries. Develop strong language and grammar skills. To offer professional proofreading and editing services, it's essential to develop strong language and grammar skills. Read extensively to broaden your vocabulary and deepen your understanding of grammar rules. Stay updated with style guides like the Chicago Manual of Style or the Associated Press, AP, Stylebook. Familiarize yourself with common errors and grammar pitfalls to provide accurate corrections. Understand different editing levels. There are different levels of editing, and understanding them is crucial for providing the right service to your clients. Copy editing focuses on grammar, syntax, and clarity. Line editing involves enhancing sentence structure, flow, and overall readability. Developmental editing focuses on the content's organization, structure, and coherence. Determine the level of editing needed for each project and communicate it clearly to clients. Develop a proofreading and editing process. Developing a structured proofreading and editing process is essential for efficiency and consistency. Start with an initial read-through to grasp the overall content and identify potential areas for improvement. Focus on one aspect at a time, such as grammar, punctuation, or readability, to maintain focus. Use tools like spelling and grammar checkers or style guides to ensure accuracy. Finally, conduct a thorough final review before submitting the edited work. Establishing your proofreading and editing services. To establish your proofreading and editing services, create a professional website or portfolio that showcases your skills, experience, and testimonials. Clearly outline your services, pricing, and turnaround times. Network with writers, authors, content creators, or businesses that may require your services. Utilize freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find initial clients and build your reputation. Providing effective communication and feedback. Effective communication and feedback are key to providing exceptional proofreading and editing services. Maintain clear and professional communication with your clients, ensuring you understand their expectations and deadlines. Provide constructive feedback and suggestions for improvement while respecting the writer's voice and intent. Cultivate positive relationships with your clients to encourage repeat business and referrals. Closing. Offering proofreading and editing services is a valuable skill that can help writers and content creators elevate their work. By developing strong language and grammar skills, understanding different editing levels, establishing a process, marketing your services effectively, and providing excellent communication and feedback, you can build a successful proofreading and editing business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.